Xbox is making it easier than ever to jump back into your favorite games, no matter where you're playing or which device you're playing on. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your favorite gaming and tech hub. With its latest update, Xbox is rolling out cross-device play history, a feature designed to keep your recently played games synced across consoles, PCs, handhelds, and cloud gaming. Whether you're on an Xbox Series X, gaming on your laptop, or trying out a cloud session on a handheld like the Asus ROG Ally, you can pick up exactly where you left off. This means you can start a game on your console, continue it on your PC, and maybe even squeeze in a quick cloud session on the go without needing to remember where you stopped or scroll endlessly to find your last played title. It's all right there, synced and ready, so you don't face any interruption on any platform. The feature was recently tested by Xbox insiders and is now ready to be launched. Want to make it even better? It includes cloud-enabled games, which means your history reflects not just the games you own, but also the ones you played through Xbox Game Pass or the cloud. But where can we get the history? On consoles, you'll find your synced list under the new Play History tile on the home screen. On PC, it's located in the Xbox app right under the Play History tab, just below Most Recent, and also appears in your game library. This might seem like a small change, but it is a game changer for anyone who switches devices regularly. Xbox is clearly aiming to create a more connected gaming experience. Do you think this upgrade is great? Tell us in the comments. Hit the like button, and yes, subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching!